Welcome to Smart Retrofit. This short video will demonstrate the lighting automation. This is the small setup with the lights, mobile application and Alexa. So let's start with the mobile application first. I'll go into the hall section. And now you can see if I turn on the TV light, it will turn on. Let's go to the other lights. So this is north light, it's already on. Turn off north light, the south light, and the other lights, like I named it piano light, and dusk light. So this is with the help of mobile application. Now let's see with the Alexa. Alexa, turn off TV light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on TV light.
Okay.
Turn off north light.
Okay.
Turn on north light.
Okay.
Turn off south light.
Okay.
Turn off desk light.
Okay.
Turn on desk light.
Okay.
Turn off piano light.
Okay.
Turn on piano light.
Okay.
So this is the demonstration with mobile application and Alexa. Thank you.